Let's make it today. Is it a good film? He is intelligent. Most of us are going there. By the way, what about the picture tonight? I am extremely sorry. I understand. May I introduce Mr. John? Well, let's move. It's fixed. It's a mixed college. Contribute something. Contribute and contribute something. What's your contribution? Noun verbum vyathyasam pronunciation. Okay. Contribute something. What's your contribution? It doesn't sound sensible. No, no possibility at all. Preserve your clean image. Call him. Come here. He always supports me. I like my society. Can I expect it today? I prefer to go by a car. What's the time? He is a good commentator. You can't escape from it. I am going home. They are very good people. We have got to discuss it in detail. Be polite to others. I can't express it in words. He is in the executive committee. Where is the chairman? That's well recorded and recorded. No information at all. I am confused. We can't confirm it right now. My time is precious. Be a voracious reader. I didn't go there. I want to talk to you. Let's make it today. Is it a good film? He is intelligent. Most of us are going there. By the way, what about the picture tonight? I'm extremely sorry. I understand my address was John. Well, let's move. It's fixed. It's a mix of college. Contribute something. What's your contribution? Doesn't sound sensible. No possibility. It will preserve your clean image. Call him. Come here. He always supports me. Like my society. Can I expect it today? I prefer to go by car. What's the time? He's a good commentator. You can escape from it. I'm going home. They are very good people. We have good discuss detail. Be polite to others. I can't express it in words. He's the executive committee. Where is the chairman? That's all recorded and credit. No information at all. I'm confused. We can confirm it right now. My time is precious. Be a voracious reader. I didn't go there. I want to talk to you. Come on. Mouth open alla. Mouth open avana adha vende. Mouth korchude open avate. Mouth open avanam. Mouth open avalla. Korchuni force varate. I didn't go there. I didn't. Preserve kaathu sooshikkuka. Let's make it today. Is it a good film? He is intelligent. Most of us are going there. By the way, what about the picture tonight? I'm extremely sorry. I understand. May I introduce Mr. John? Well, let's make it fixed. It's a mix of college. Contribute something. What's your contribution? It doesn't sound sensible. No possibility at all. Preserve your clean image. Call him. Come here. He always supports me. I like my society. Can I expect it today? I prefer to go by a car. What's the time? He's a good commentator. You can't escape from it. I'm going home. They are very good people. We have got to discuss it in detail. Be polite to others. I can't express it in words. He is in the executive committee. Where is the chairman? That's well recorded and recorded. No information at all. I am confused. We can confirm it right now. My time is precious. Be a voracious reader. I didn't go there. I want to talk to you. Anju pravasham. Mouth full open out and non-stop on it. Start.